Today's LeetCode daily challenge problem is kids with the greatest number of candies. In this problem, we are given an array of candies which represents the number of candies ith kid has and extra candies that we can give the ith kid. We are required to return the array result of length n where result I is true if after giving the ith kid all the extra candies they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids or false otherwise. Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. So in the sample example 1, you can clearly see that 2 plus 3 equals 5, which is equal to the previously existing maximum value. So the result is true here. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is the new maximum value. So result is obviously true. 1 plus 3 is 4, which is less than the maximum value in the resultant array. So the result is false here. The constraints are very small. Even n-cube solution will work for this problem. This is for obvious reason because the problem is marked as easy. If the constraint would be around 10 to the power 6, it could be classified as medium, but it would still be easy. Now, my solution in my solution uses pre-computed cumulative maximum from the left side and the right side up to the current index. So what I mean is maximum value max right will store the maximum number of candies from the sub array from index I to n minus 1, and max left will store the current maximum value from the left side of the array. But we do not need an array here because we can simply just use the calculated value here just like this. Here for calculating the result we need the maximum up to previous index and maximum up to next index from the right side, and we can compare the result. We can compare this maximum with the resultant number of candies the current kid will have after we give the extra candies. So this is quite a straightforward solution. We are simply calculating the result, and the resultant mm, the resultant value is boolean value which can be directly added in the result array, and finally we are returning the result. Hope this helps. I have also uploaded the solution here in the solution. You can see the solution in the solutions tab. Please like, share and subscribe if it is helpful to you. Bye.